Hello everyone and welcome to week 3. So this week your rough draft is due at the end of the week. Try to have at least 2 full pages. The more that you have, the more I can help you, give you feedback as you work on your final draft the following week. So if you turned in an outline for your essay 1 by Sunday night, I should be able to give you some feedback on that by Thursday night so you can use that to help you when you're writing your rough draft. In addition, we're going to do another Flipgrid this week. You're going to watch a TED Talk which relates to why we help others and how we help others, and then respond to that and try to connect it a little bit to the Singer essay that you're writing about for your essay 1. Then learn a little bit more about how to format your paper to help you as you're writing your rough draft, so you can work on making your papers in correct MLA format, run-on sentences, and finally, at the end of the week, your rough draft. As well as chapter 3 of our book. In addition, we're going to work a little more on integrating your quotes into your papers, so ways to seamlessly integrate the quotes from Singer's essay, which we're writing about for our essay 1, into your paper. So for last week, you guys did an answer garden about one thing that's making you happy. Some of your answers were family, music, reading, eating, plants, dogs, junk food, being around family, helping people. So helping people, one of our topics. So have a great week. Hope you have a good Labor Day. And our office hours will be Wednesday from 10 to 11 a.m. I've had to change those around because I picked up another class during the other time. Have a great week, and I look forward to looking at your outlines.